Okay, I think this is recording now. This is my first try with this, and people have been having troubles with the syllabus. So first off, you can find it over here on the right side, syllabus sign-off. If it's after the due date and you need to get in there, it's in here in the miscellaneous folder in your materials, and it doesn't matter which one you click on, it takes you to the same spot. Once you pull yourself in there, you'll see it in there. Click on it. Download it. That's what you want to do. Open it up. Now, opening it up in here is not what you want to do. This isn't going to work right here. So we don't have the commands. So you need to go to find your downloads. Click on downloads. I got my syllabus right there. I click on it and it comes up here. And now read, all the good info in there. Come down to the bottom and we need signatures and stuff. So the tool in here, you can click on tools and find it. It's not this redact where it is. It's not even the fill and sign. This might work here too. I was shown using this one for signature. So I want to add a signature. I'm going to do that right here. So I'm going to add a signature on here. I type my name and it comes up. I apply it and I got it in there. Okay. And so now I can sit there and I can drag it anywhere I want. And then there's my signature. Okay. If you don't want a signature in there, you want it to, and I probably should have just put name in there, not signature. But like you see, it says the type here. You can also go over it, knows on these little blank things here. When you click on that, the sign or the sign and fill, you can click on this here. Put in your number, 555-555-5555. Parent names. One name or both names here. If you want to put both names in, the second one is optional down here. It looks like I forgot a parentheses. Just noticing that. But you can type in the names there. We have Steve and Marcy Darcy. And if I tab, it'll take me to the next one. So this is kind of smart. It knows these lines that you're going to go to. This is a newer computer, so it might be a little bit more updated. So again, things that I was using on here. This little icon right here, that gives me my signature. So I'm going to close that. This is where you'd find it right there. Click on it. If you've got a signature, click on it, and you can drag it wherever you want. I'm going to get rid of that. We don't want it there. It also looks like you can use this little icon over here, which is just the fill and sign icon, and that will activate these little spots that you can go in there. Hope this helps you out there, some of you. Again, I probably should have put the, if it's printed there, that's fine. I don't like this text here. Let's get rid of that. I don't know how that got in there. Ooh, good. It's gone. Thanks for your time. You all have a good day. Aloha.